what God did. I sense the jealousy, can't stop my destiny. I pray my soul's at peace, lost in these melodies. What's good, America? Cars with Ty here. If you don't know, now you know. If you still don't know, then you just might be slow. Tap in with me, check in, don't check out. I'm telling you, at the current time of this recording, yo, today is June 7th, 11:48 a.m. We are at 222 subscribers. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is insane business, yo. We're at 70,000 views in the last 30 days at the current time. At the current time, 64.8. Really 70 because YouTube didn't update. It doesn't show for today. It's only showing for the day before. But yo, we popping it, man. I don't see no other way to do it but just keep posting. This is exactly how I make fast money as a car content creator. Like, comment, subscribe, thick whips, free game. We out of here. We going straight to it. No Kennedy, no Bennett. We not playing. We just gonna do the thing we gotta do. We gotta do it.
I remember when I first started out with YouTube back in 2018, and I was trying to make money doing the YouTube thing, and I quickly realized that there isn't a ton of money in like YouTube ad revenue. It's a little bit, but I quickly realized that it wasn't going to be enough to take over my lifestyle and my bills and everything. So I immediately started looking for other ways to make money, which was affiliate marketing, and I beat this with like a dead horse with you guys because I'm just like, bro, it's the easiest and best, lowest barrier to entry way to start making good money with what you love.
I'm literally sweating because I just finished my run and I refuse to take cold showers. I hope there's not too much wind noise. Got my window open too. Let me close that.
Doing because car content in general, literally anything can be applied to this strategy, but I would start with doing affiliate marketing. And the way that I would start doing it is that I would start on Amazon affiliate program. My buddy's looking at the rearview mirror right now, taking a photo of me in the E39. That's hilarious. So I would start with doing any affiliate program, but I would specifically start with Amazon affiliate because it's so easy to get started. Anyone can do it. There's no like requirements, and Amazon sells everything, dude. Everyone is already shopping on Amazon. That's literally how I started. Like if I had to make a quick couple $1,000s per month in commissions and I already had a lot of the products that I wanted to like start promoting, that's what I would be doing, Amazon affiliate. Now, in the long run, I don't think it's the best strategy because the percentages are very, very low. So you need to sell in high volume, but there are so many products and people are already shopping on there that you sort of already have like a built-in base that you can start making commissions almost immediately if you are making content in other.
All right, so we got affiliate marketing, Amazon short term, not for long run
places. Now, the form of content that I would choose would be YouTube and shorts. So like Reels, TikTok, stuff like that. I would just make the short form content on TikTok and I would just literally reuse the same videos with maybe like a different call to action on every other website or social media like Instagram or YouTube Shorts or anything like that, or even Facebook Reels, whatever. And that would be my like first go-to strategy. That is literally what I did to start making money off of YouTube, but it wasn't like YouTube ad revenue. I just utilized affiliate marketing. So if you're unfamiliar with what affiliate marketing is, like obviously you can look it up, but you're just making a commission off of the links that you provide for people for parts that they buy. So like if someone uses my link and they go to buy something, I get a kickback. It doesn't affect the price of the product. The customer doesn't pay anymore. I just make a little bit of a commission off of the sale for putting the person onto that product. And you also, with affiliate marketing on Amazon, you get the percentage of sales for the next 24 hours, anything that person buys. So if they got to Amazon affiliate with your link for the next 24 hours while they're shopping, you're gonna make money off of their like diapers and Q-tips and shampoo and toothpaste and whatever the fuck else they buy. So it's a really powerful tool because you can just continually make so much passive money. Now, are you gonna see like hundreds and hundreds of dollars your first day? No, it's gonna take you some time to actually like build up some decent income, but you can. It sort of snowballs and it happens fast, and you just gotta make.
What is he driving, chat? This man is driving a stick wagon. I don't remember him having a stick wagon. I haven't watched him like this recent, but I'm confused right now.
Content around, you know.
Oh, he's in the E36. Okay, makes sense.
The things that you love. Like, there's so many different topics and niches that you can start making content on that you can make money with affiliate marketing. It's really like a business model that applies to everything, literally everything. And the barrier to entry, like I said, is super low, and that's a great place to start because you're going to learn a lot with Amazon affiliate, and then you can sort of start expanding. Like, I have dozens of affiliate revenue avenues that I use, but Amazon affiliate is where I started, and that's what brought me the whole game and taught me the whole game of affiliate marketing, and it just opened my mind. I immediately knew right away, like, dude, why am I spending all this time working for people for a paycheck when there's money to be made like passively while I sleep just off of a link that I create once? So there's a lot of little like tricks to the trade and things that I've learned over the past 8 years that help people and help business models and all of that, especially when it comes to like targeting the right content depending on your niche and making sure it lands to the right people. But as far as the revenue goes, Amazon affiliate, that'd be the first place I start. I'd be making content, short form content around whatever my niche is. I would look at what other people are doing that is successful in my niche, and then I would start converting that traffic over to affiliate links. So that's what I would do. Like, if I started over today and like I had to make quick money, that's exactly what I would do, because that's exactly what I did. And the first goal was to get the car paid for. The second goal is to get the rent paid for. The third goal is to get it to take over my full-time job, and that's exactly what it did, you guys. So if you find this video useful, let me know. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. You can find more information on my website. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to do like a one-on-one chat or whatever. See you in the next one. Peace.
All right, y'all. So we got affiliate marketing. I'm actually gonna do this. That's why I'm writing it down. And I say, if you guys are doing content too as well, I say you should try as well. Like, follow along with me and I don't know, tell me your progress if you like. Tell me your progress the same as mine. So we got affiliate marketing. Start with Amazon with short term. It wouldn't be good long term because obviously he's saying the money. I'm gonna do my own research, but I'm just taking notes so when I get there, I know what to look for. Feel me? Short-term money, but you can make short-term money become in a way long-term money if it's continual, you know. YouTube shorts, short-form content videos, TikTok, Instagram, Reels, but short. That's actually, I didn't honestly, I literally was saying in the last video, I don't know how to do affiliate marketing. I don't know how to reach out to brands. Like, you know, honestly, I did with modeling, did photo shoots and stuff with a couple brands. They sent me, I got a bunch of free stuff in my closet right now, but I didn't really feel like I was doing it the right, correct way. I just felt like it was like bootleg, ghetto style. But like, comment, subscribe, bro. We almost literally so close. We're probably maybe 30,000 views away from 100K in the last 30 days. We're almost at 500 subs. We're literally, what, 10 more subs up from the first video I made this week, which is like maybe 4 or 5 days ago. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all so much, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We going to the moon, taking over Palm Beach on top. You know what I'm saying? God bless.